In this 3-minute vlog, I'll give Fife homeowners 5 top tips to maximise those storage spaces while still making life just that little bit easier. Having a place to store your possessions is extremely important and can often be overlooked when property hunting. Being able to fit all your possessions into your home whilst ensuring it stays neat and tidy can seem challenging at first. However, there is always a way to maximise your space no matter how small your living arrangement and environment is. I'll share some of our super savvy storage hacks to transform your home into a serene space while still being able to enjoy your prized possessions. So fill the gaps. While some of us don't have as much space as we'd like, there are always gaps in a room that can be used as a way to keep things tidy. For example, the top of wardrobes, or sliding drawers underneath a bed. Add your items to a decorative box before storing away to prevent the gaps you filled from looking cluttered. Shelves. If you don't have shelves in your house, there are many no-damage shelves that can easily be put into a wall. That way, if you're in a rental property, you don't need to worry about any wall damage. A floating shelf can help you achieve a more spacious room by not having to place objects on the floor. Although they can't hold items that aren't too heavy, they can still show off your favourite items as decorative features. If you already use all of your shelving space, you can maximise this further by getting some shelf risers. This allows you to fit an extra shelf into your cupboard so that you can double the amount of items in. These work particularly well in kitchens, cupboards and toiletry cupboards. Also make it easier to find items. So windowsills. We all have windowsills. This small bit of space can also be used like a shelf in your house to also house your books and houseplants or toiletries. A clever creative way to maximise a part of a room that often gets overlooked. Baskets. Sometimes they are items that you may not want to have on display, but you can easily make your home look messy. The solution is to use baskets. There are so many decorative baskets available in the shops these days in a range of colours and materials. A basket can be a statement in a room while secretly hiding your mess. You can even use small baskets in cupboards too to keep them tidy. Hanging storage. Vertical storage is a clever, versatile storage solution. There are hooks that you can buy for the back of your doors that can be home to your accessories or outwear. Hanging organisers like shoe racks can also be bought for the back of doors and can be home to many items, not just shoes. You could use a hanging organiser for books, craft supplies and toys. If you have anything else, please feel free to leave a comment, as I'd love to hear from you. Finally, can I ask you to hit that like button, as it gives this post more social reach, therefore Facebook will allow more people to see it. Until next time, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.